Well, most of the attention right now is on the COVID-19 vaccines, particularly those that are authorized or approved. We're talking, of course, about the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, Moderna's vaccine, and Johnson & Johnson's vaccine. But there are several vaccine candidates that are in late stage testing as we speak. Brian, are there any stocks of companies with some of those vaccines in phase 3 testing that you think investors might especially want to watch?
Well, obviously Novavax, I'm a shareholder there. We've seen the phase 3 data already, so we know that the vaccine works quite well. The issue isn't with efficacy or safety, but with manufacturing. They need to get that resolved so they can gain authorizations and approvals, globally. And so that's what investors, and me specifically, are looking for from Novavax, and the sooner the better, as far as I'm concerned. Sanofi and GlaxoSmithKline. Sanofi is ticker is SNY, and GlaxoSmithKline is GSK. They've really struggled, but they appear to now have a working vaccine. Sanofi has the protein-based vaccine part of it, and then Glaxo is adding the adjuvant, which stimulates the immune system to react to the protein. The viral, it's a viral protein, not the whole virus, just part of the protein, but it appears to be working, at least in phase 2. So that's something to look out for. It's more of a traditional vaccine versus the mRNA and the adenovirus vaccines, which are, were novel to this pandemic. And then I'm still rooting for Inovio. The ticker there is INO, and then the drug name is INO 4800. It's a DNA-based vaccine, and they use a device to get the DNA into your cells. It's working with another company called Advaccine, I guess, Advaccine, I guess, ADVACCINE. And they're running a phase 3 clinical trial in Brazil. So I'm looking forward to seeing that data for Inovio.
Yeah, those are some good ones for investors to watch. I'll throw one additional one out, Brian, and it's not a COVID-19 vaccine stock per se, but Dynavax Technologies, the ticker there's DVAX. Dynavax has an adjuvant called CpG 1018, I believe is the name. And this adjuvant is used in Dynavax's own hepatitis B vaccine, HEPLISAV B, but the company has several partners that are using this adjuvant in their COVID-19 vaccines. And I think Dynavax could be a stock to watch because it has multiple potential paths to success with those partners, as well as it has its own Hep B vaccine that's on the market already. And so it's a small biotech that you might want to keep your eyes on as well.